This morning, Ohio's Department of Health launched this website called COVID-19 Vaccine Locations. Sounds simple enough, and it is fairly easy to use. Click on the county drop-down menu, select where you live, and a list of providers that can give vaccines appears. That's when the trouble begins.
It's really frustrating for patients who are online doing everything they can to try to figure out how to navigate this very cumbersome process and still have no success.
Miramont Dr. Lisa Larkin has been fielding call after call from patients who are anxious to get a COVID-19 vaccine.
It's just a very disorganized process now, and so it makes it hard for clinicians to figure out how to help their patients get the vaccine.
As I discovered, links to health providers on the state's new vaccine website often lead to web pages that have nothing to do with the COVID vaccine. Kroger Little Clinics dominate the list of providers in Hamilton, Butler, Claremont, and Warren County. The problem with that is Kroger's website will not start accepting vaccine appointments for Ohioans 80 and older until tomorrow.
We're standing it all up as fast as we can. We communicated with all of our partners at health departments around the state, as well as with the state itself and all of our local governments that, unfortunately we couldn't stand it up quite as quickly as we wanted.
Larkin hopes the state's new website functions better in the coming days because she knows the demand for COVID vaccines is off the charts.
People are really anxious about this to try to get the vaccine. We have to streamline this process.
Now, people working on COVID vaccine websites said today it's like building a plane in mid-flight, which makes sense for Kroger, for example. The company only recently found out it could administer the vaccine. It doesn't make as much sense for public agencies, which one would think have been planning the best way to notify people for months now. Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.
Todd, thanks so much.